Hello everyone. If you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 but keep getting this error message, Forza Horizon 6 has terminated unexpectedly due to an error with the error code FHE01, then you're in the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue easily. I'll share two simple methods, and the first one is the easiest, so make sure you follow along carefully. First method is to uninstall an application called Citrix Workspace. If you have Citrix Workspace installed on your computer, it can sometimes conflict with the game and cause this error. So what you need to do is search for Settings and open it. Then click on Apps. And after that, search for Citrix Workspace. If you find Citrix Workspace there, just uninstall it for now. Don't worry, you can reinstall it later after you're done playing the game. Once you uninstall it, try launching Forza Horizon 6 again and check if the issue is fixed. If that doesn't work, then move on to the second method. Sometimes connected controllers can also cause this problem, especially Steam controllers. So if you have any controllers connected to your PC, disconnect them first before launching the game. After the game starts and you're inside, you can reconnect them again. This simple step often helps fix the crash issue. And that's it. After trying these methods, your Forza Horizon 6 should work without the FHE01 error. If this helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.